start your turn. Yeah. Don't waste my time and your time. Please, ahead.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, morning, Sudanma. Bit louder, Sudanma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I would like to choose the topic trust.
Yes, go ahead.
Actually, trust is such a word which connects the emotions of a person.
Hmm. Yeah.
If someone needs to gain the trust of a person, he
Hmm.
needs to observe the person keenly.
Hmm.
If someone gains the trust of the person, then he should maintain that trust, ma'am.
Hmm.
And if
Okay.
we gain trust of some person,
Hmm.
we can share some secrets with him.
Hmm.
And ma'am, yesterday I was thinking about trust, ma'am. I got some other meaning also there.
Go ahead.
The trust is a kind of a committee which forms some kind of institute, ma'am.
Hmm.
For example, there is a temple.
Hmm.
There should be taken care of the temple. So some members form as a committee known as trust, ma'am.
Okay, that trust is
Like that.
different. Yeah, that trust is nothing but group of people working for a motive.
Yes, ma'am.
Working for a motive and for its development.
Development, ma'am. And if we break someone's trust, then it would hurt his or her emotions.
Absolutely.
That's it.
That's
Thank
it.
you, ma'am.
Yeah. See, dear students, adding Tanma's highlight to our topic of discussion, that is trust. He gave two meanings of trust. One, a trust working like an organization, group of people working for certain objective and for its development. That is also trust. Another meaning for the same spelling and the pronunciation, this word trust has the faith gained, turning the relationship from belief to higher level. That is trust. Thank you, Sudanma. Two meanings you have added. I am giving you 4 marks right now. I hope you will appreciate your marks. Akash, it is your turn. Yesterday you were absent.
Yes, madam.
ಹಾಪ ನಿನಗೆ ಎದ್ರ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದ ನೀ ಹೇಳು.
Madam, what's going on?
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ.
Madam, what's going on? I don't know.
ಹಾಪ
Madam, what's going on? I don't know, madam. Hello.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಂಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಬಿರದರ್.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, madam. I'm audible, ma'am?
Yeah, completely audible.
Madam, what's going on topic? I don't know, madam.
Current topic, you don't worry. The earlier topics what I had given, you can choose from that.
Madam, I take spoken English, madam.
Good, yeah. This is new topic only. Okay.
The English language is first of all the global language. It is used in everywhere, but the people know English, but they are while talking the people for more struggle because they don't have perfect vocabulary. Madam, what happens in English talking? We have to first translate Kannada to English. We have to stop that translating Kannada to English.
Okay.
Whatever in the mind, we have to say in the first madam.
Yes, absolutely. You're right. You're connecting the sentences as well. Good for that. The paragraph is going good. Next.
Madam, the English language is more talking is one second.
Yeah. No problem. If you have written, you take the points from that. Only thing is presentation, seriousness towards the activity given by the teacher is important. There only trust builds between teacher and student.
Okay, madam. The English language is more used in the global language because it is more beneficial to all to communicate everybody.
Okay,
And,
keep the
you have
mic
to.
properly.
Hello, hello, madam.
Sit.
Audible, ma'am.
Completely
I'm
audible.
audible.
Keep like this only.
Okay, madam. The English language is more used in a globally. We have to learn the English perfectly by using the by improving our vocabulary, and you have to we have to improve your English by the reading the newspaper and listening the English news and the daily newspapers, madam, and magazines, and we can improve the English language, madam.
Good.
That's only, madam.
So, one question, Akash. Is it
What,
required
madam?
to learn English to go through with newspapers and news channels?
To build our vocabulary, madam.
No, it is
Good
only
vocabulary,
required
madam.
for English language or any language.
It's required for every language, madam. But in English, what happens, madam? You don't use regular speak, madam, because you have the based on a communication. Either used in the Kannada language only, you have to not have a proper communication with the Kannada English language, madam. So you have to research the more English words and have to build the perfect vocabulary to speak, madam.
Okay. 5 out of 5, Akash.
What, madam? Hello.
5 out of 5 for you.
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Harry, laugh louder, no, so that everyone can listen.
Okay, madam.
Okay. That's for your practice. Good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Next. Next. Jaldi barre. Lousy children of BCA. Not all, except 3. Akash Sanamgonda. ನಿನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಪ್ಪ ಈಗ ನೀ ಹೇಳು. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಕಾಶ್ ನಿನ್ ಧ್ವನಿ ಇಕೋ ಆಗಾಕತ್ತದ ಗೋಲ್ ಗುಂಬಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hello Akash.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah, you are audible.
Ma'am, I would like to choose government job and private job.
Good. Fast you must say, Akash.
Government jobs are many advantages, ma'am.
You should always start with the definition.
Like
what is government and what is private. Yesterday it was explained.
yes, ma'am. Government jobs, job security, pay structure, and working hours. Many promotions and benefits.
Okay.
These are the advantages, ma'am. And firstly, job security. This is most important in government job, ma'am.
It is not important. It is available in government job.
Yes, ma'am. And government jobs are as compared to private jobs. Government jobs are not at stressful, ma'am. And salary will increasing. Our salary will increasing, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
And next benefits, ma'am. Benefits, any pensions and retirement pensions and house loans and medical child care.
Okay.
And next private jobs, promotions will increase, ma'am. In hello, ma'am.
Yeah. I'm there. Try to connect the sentence and conclude. ಆದಷ್ಟು
That's
ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ
it, ma'am.
ಹೊಂದಿಸು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡು.
In government,
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದ್ರ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ ನೀ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು.
in government job, ma'am,
ಹಾ
in government job, many benefits are, ma'am. In private jobs, they we are teaching, we are learning from another person. But in government job, what can I only this much, ma'am.
Okay. Did you search Google for this Akash Sanamgund?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ನೋಡಪ್ಪಿ ನಾವ್ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಭಾಷೆ ಒಳಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿ ಆಕಾಶ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಿನ್ನೆನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಯಾರ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ, ನಿನ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಇದಂದ್ರ ಏನು, ಇದೇನು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಇದೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಪಿ, ನೋಟ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್, ನಿಂಗೊಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಫಸ್ಟ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಏನ್ ಬೀಳ್ತದ, ಆ ಪ್ರಭಾವದಿಂದ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಏನು, ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಏನು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವು ಮೂರ್ ಒಳಗ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನಮ್ದೊಂದು ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರ ನಡುವೆ ಒಂದ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಕೊಡುವಾಗರೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಏನಪ್ಪಿ, ಇವು 5 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮರಿಬೇಡ.
Okay, ma'am.
ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ದಿಟ್ಕೋ, ನೋಟ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀನು ಕನ್ನಡನಾಗೆ ಹೇಳು, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಾಗೆ ಹೇಳು, ವೇರೆವರ್ ನಿನ್ ತಮ್ಮ ತಂಗಿ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇವು 5 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೀ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ದು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಒಳಗೆ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 2.5 3 ಪೇಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನಲೈಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಬೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ Sanamgund 3.5. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅದಾವು, learn them better. Don't miss the classes. You are not missing, of course, Sanamgund, but keep it like this. Okay, bye bye. Next one, Megha, if you want to say, you can say it loudly, and you have to start there now itself. Class nalli ಹೇಳ್ಬೇನ್ರಿ. If you want to say, respond fast. Because I'm going to call some other students as well. ಇದು ಬರೇ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ನಾಳೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಅದ. ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾರು ಪರಿಚಯ ಅದಾರ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು. ಯಾ ಸಾನಿಯಾ, ಗೋ ಹೆಡ್.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
ಸಾನಿಯಾ, ನಿಂದು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡು.
Hello.
Is it ಸಾನಿಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಹಾ, ನಿನ್ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಾಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದವು? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಮೇಘ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದ್ಲೀಗ? ಸಾನಿಯಾ. ಯಾ ಸಾನಿಯಾ, ಗೋ ಹೆಡ್.
Ma'am,
ಸಾನಿಯಾ, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅದ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊರಗರ ಬಾ. ಹೇಳು, ಜಲ್ದಿ ಹೇಳು.
ma'am, I would like to choose topic trust.
Please.
Hello.
Yeah, I said okay. Continue.
Hello.
Hello.
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are completely audible. You have to
Hello.
little louder. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ.
Ma'am, I would like to choose topic trust.
ಹಾ.
Trust is a precious, so it is exists only between that two precious persons. Trust is a very slow process to build, but it takes short time to break that trust.
Okay.
Ma'am, there is two ways of trusting a person. First one is trusting a person based on his performance and dedication towards his work
Okay.
and his honesty. These are the things which make us trust a person.
Hmm.
Trusting like this on that person neither risk to him nor to us. It helps to increase the person's work efficiency, which will helpful to that person, which will helpful to other person.
Okay, which will be helpful.
And the second way of trusting a person is that if someone favors to us, or if we are liking that person, we trust them. So which is not good for us or that person, because we trust them because we like them. So which is not good for neither to that person nor to us. How means that doesn't mean he or she is a valuable or a trustable person. If we trusting a person based on favor also or like, without trust there is no relationship. Yesterday that Arfat told, ma'am, without trust there is no relationship. He took an example of traveling in a bus. He told that we trust that driver and we travel in that bus. We don't trust him personally. We trust him, and government appointed him that job because I told that trusting the way of trusting the first way, that they appointed that driver. They appointed that driver based on his performance, dedication, and towards his work. So we can't trust anyone easily, knowing that without knowing that person. So yesterday he told that, ma'am, we trust them, so we travel in that bus.
For
So
example,
it's not
ತಾನಿಯಾ ಈಗ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಸ್ನಾಗ ಹೊಂಟಿವಪ್ಪಿ. ಡ್ರೈವರ್ 30 ವರ್ಷ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅದ. ಏನಿಗೆ 30 ನಮ್ಗೇನೋ ಒಂದ್ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಗೊತ್ತದ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಒಟ್ಟ ಗೊತ್ತದ. ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸಫಿಶಿಯಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. 5 years ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸಾಕು ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗ, ಬಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ರಿಸ್ಕಿ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ದಟ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಂಗಿರುವಾಗ
ಮೇಡಮ್, ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ನಾವು ನಮ್ದೇನು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇರಲ್ಲಲ್ರಿ.
ಸರ್ಟನ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಹುಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಆ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ರ, ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಾನ, ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಸೈಡ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬೈಕ್ ಬಂದ ಹಾಯಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ, ಧಕ್ಕಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಜಗಳ ಆಯ್ತು. ಡ್ರೈವರ್ನು ಬೈತೀವಿ, ಇವ್ರನ್ನು ಬೈತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಕುಂತಿರೋ ಜಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ಬಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ನ ಎರಡು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಶಿಸ್ತಂಗಿ ಬೈತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಯಾರ್ದು? ನಮ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಂದು. ಯಾರಿಗ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಅವ್ರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರ ಜಗಳ ಒಳಗ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರ ಅವ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ನೆಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಮಂದಿ ಲೈಫ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಯಾರ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತಿ ಒಟ್ಟರದು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇರ್ತಾರ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಏಜ್ ಮೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರ.
ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್, ಅವ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಅದೇ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅವ್ನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆ ಜಾಬಿಗೆ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದಿ, isn't it? ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್. ಆ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ನಮಗ. ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿನೇ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ನಮಗ. ಅದಾಗಣ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ.
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಏನ್ ಅಷ್ಟಾದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಈ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ನಿನಗ? ಇವ ಹೊಡಿತಾನೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ, ಇವ ಮುಟ್ಟಿಸ್ತಾನೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಡೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹತ್ತಿವೋ, ಕಾಲಿಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಇವ್ ಏನ್ ಬರೋಬ್ಬರಿ ಮುಟ್ಟಿಸ್ತಾನೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು ಮಾರಾವ. ಈ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋಣ ಅದೊಂದ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಏನೂ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ರು ನಮಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಕ್ಕೋತ, ಹಾಡ ಕೇಳ್ಕೋತ, ಚಿಟ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋದಾಗ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೋಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರ ಚಿಟ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಸ್ನಾಗ ಹೋಗೋ ಆ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ? ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಾನಿಯಾ?
ಅದು ಐತ್ರಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕಂತ್ರ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಬೇಕಾಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗವ.
ಅದೇ
ಆ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಪಪ್ಪಾನೇ ಅವ್ರ ಅದಾರ ಅಥವಾ ಅಂಕಲೇ ಅದಾರ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ ನಮಗ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ನಾ. ಹಾ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್, ಆದ್ರೆ ಬಿಲೀವರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿವಲ್ಲ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್
ಅಂದ್ರ
ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾವು
ಯಾಕತ್ತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಬರೋ ಸೈಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ನೀ ಎಕಡೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕತ್ರ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ನಾ ಎಕಡೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ.
trust at some extent is okay, fine, good, ma'am. Trust at some extent is okay, ma'am. Not we can't trust them fully or not. We can't trust them personally, ma'am. So I told trust at some extent is okay, fine.
Got you, Sania. I would have not interfered in your discussion. But point of view ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಿಂದುನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅರ್ಫಾತಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ ಕೆಲ್ಸ ಅದೇ ಅದ, ಅದು ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಇಬ್ರು.
No, I haven't opposed that what he told, ma'am. I just
did I say that you are opposing his point of view? No, I didn't mention that at all.
No, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Sania.
Thank you.
Okay. Next one. Megha wants to say. Kindly hear hers, because yesterday I had called her to finish her turn, but she is wishing to say it. Use your opportunity, Megha. Megha, if not Megha, Arshia, Annapurna, Anusha, Akshata Dunagi is over. One more Akash is there. Akash Rathod. Chaitra is there. Gautami is there. Take your turn, no? Don't go mumb. Kaveri, only one Kaveri is available today. Akash Kulkarni. Take your turn, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please go ahead.
Madam, I would like to choose a government job or private job.
Yeah, most welcome. Start.
A government job is a job in any government organization in which action is done on behalf of the government. Private job is a job in any private sector. Or according to me, both have some advantages and disadvantages. In government job security is there, but in private job, salary hike is more. Yes, sorry, ma'am. Private job salary hike is more, but in government job frequently salary hikes in few years only. In private job, our knowledge will increase, ma'am, but in government job, knowledge is not increased. Only medical facilities job will give. In private job security is less, but our knowledge will increase more, and salary will increase if the company gets more profit. Otherwise, it will not get more salary hike.
Okay.
So according to me, ma'am, both have some advantages and disadvantages. So both jobs are having different advantages and disadvantages.
Completed?
Completed. Yes, ma'am.
Krishna, starting was
Yes, ma'am.
continuation was also good. Advantages, disadvantages. One line of conclusion. You are supporting both the things. That was your conclusion.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Fine, Krishna. Good
Yes.
initiation from you. 4 for you, dear Krishna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tanya and Asha. No politics, please. Dear girls, please. I want you both. Next one. Who else is going to join us? Gautami? Apini ba? నేను కర్లో కన్నా నేను బరಲ್ಲ mostly. Gautami. Whom I am able to recognize, I am asking to come. You people are not taking responsibility to deliver this. You are so careless, dear students. Anmol Khatri, रेगुलरली और रिमेनिंग एब्सेंट. क्या करती हो 10 के और 10 बजे से 1 बजे के बीच? कोई क्लास अटेंड करती हो या फिर कुछ क्लास अटेंड करती हो? I called Gautami, Chetan, Chaitra, Karthik Sajjan. Who?
Morning, ma'am.
Yeah. अनमोल कल रहेगा ग्रुप डिस्कशन.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बहुत नेग्लिजेंट हो तुम क्लास के हिसाब से.
नहीं, ma'am.
क्या नहीं? कल भी छुट्टी, परसों भी छुट्टी.
परसों आई थी, ma'am.
परसों कैसे आओगी? मैं ही नहीं आई थी, संडे था.
Saturday, ma'am.
Okay. Don't miss your any classes, Khatri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I want good results of 4th sem for our college. Not just you, for all, from all Kauravas and Pandavas.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Next one, Savitri, Soumya, Shrishel, Sharan Bidri. Oh, invisibles. Who is going to take the charge? Sushma. Oh, Sushma, you take na? Or did you finish? Api, Sushma. Yeah, Sushma, go.
तुम्हारे
personal
explain
talks here
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Sushma. Sushma, behave yourself. It is class atmosphere and you are spoiling it right now. Very responsible behavior, Sushma. Very responsible, Sushma. You didn't understand your responsibility. Arshia. Students, you join yourself, no? Thank you, Sudanma. Thank you, dear. Anusha Deshpande. Gautami, you're not taking anything. Kaveri.
Hi, ma'am.
Is it who is this?
Hi, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Anusha Deshpande.
Anusha, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to choose topic government job versus private job, ma'am.
Yeah, dear, go. Go ahead.
In government job, there are standard working hours, ma'am. Unlike a private job, sometimes in a private job, we have to do overtime without any benefit, ma'am. In government jobs are better than private jobs, ma'am. Once because of the benefits they provide the major benefits of getting a government jobs, ma'am.
Repeat your sentence.
And they provide the
Repeat your sentence, dear Anusha.
okay, ma'am. Government jobs are better than private jobs, ma'am. And because of the benefits they provide the major benefits of getting a government jobs, ma'am. And securities they provide a security working and fixed working hours and good salary, ma'am. that much, ma'am.
ಅಂದ್ರ ನೀನು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಾರ್ದೆ ನನಗೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಮೊದಲಮ್ಮ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಹಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು, ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಪೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ
Okay, ma'am.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡು. ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇದ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಥಾಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನುಷಾ. ನೀ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ದಿ, ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೋನ್, ಯು ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಲಿಸನ್ ಯು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಝೀಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಎಂತೂಸಿಯಾಸಮ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿ ಅನುಷಾ. ಏನಪ್ಪಿ?
Okay, ma'am. Thank
You can do better.
ma'am.
Next one,
Okay, ma'am.
3 for you,
Thank you,
Anusha.
ma'am.
Next, Gautami. Gautami, this is the last call for you. Next, I will not call you Gautami. Jyoti, Akash Kulkarni, Malappa, Malappa, take your turn. Kaveri, you want to? Kaveri Ukli. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು 100 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷಾ ಜಗತಾಪ್, ಪ್ರಿಯಾ and Priyanka, anyone come now? Final it is, otherwise 0 marks for all of you. Lousy children you all are. Very irresponsible behavior, huh? You're all so grown up and you don't understand your responsibility. Such a simple task you don't want to handle. Nandesh, Momin, Priya. Yeah, Megha, take your turn. Start, Megha. Jyoti, take good care, Jyoti. We are all there. We'll pray for you. Megha, ನಿಮ್ಮ network ಒಟ್ಟು correct ಇಲ್ಲ. ज्योति मैं फोन करूंगी तुमको. I'll call you. You can talk that time. Don't worry. Oh God. Megha, there is Malappa. Only once I'll ring you through mobile. If you're not coming and giving me this, then I'll put you 0 marks. Malappa, last chance for you. I'll not call you Malappa. Now I'm calling you. You say it.
Yes, ma'am.
Say it.
Hello.
Yeah, Malappa, I'm able to hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Now I understood, ma'am, what's going on.
You will not understand unless you join all the classes. You should be regular to classes, Malappa. This is for your internal marks going on. You would have asked me either.
Yes, ma'am.
Any one topic you choose and start.
Ma'am, tomorrow I will start.
Tomorrow not Malappa, today is the last day. I'll be calling the students. You prepare and be ready. After 3 o'clock, I'll be calling the students.
Yes, ma'am.
Rani Patil. Rahul B. Rahul Bogar, I am going to take yours now. Unmute yourself. Rahul. 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 Rani Patil. So the end conclusion for your activity is you people did not participate it actively. Very countable students. Countable means 1 to 5. I can fix it that these students are really taking it considerably well. Others are not cooperating. No, they don't have any sense of responsibility as a student. They just take everything for granted. You don't know how to grab the opportunity. You don't know how to participate. You don't know how to express your thoughts and ideas. You're given a platform here. And what you are doing? You're not taking the opportunity, or either you damn care of it. I'm creating a base for your story writing for 10 marks and the long answer type. If your mind is speaking something else, then it cannot be solved out, dear students. You should understand and take every activity enthusiastically so that your marks as well as your level of understanding where you express in front of your friends in a platform will be at a benefit. ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸೋ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯದಿಂದ ನೀವು ಬೆಳಿತೀರಿ. ಬರೀ ಗ್ರಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ದಿಂದ ಬೆಳೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. And ending the class, take seriously all the classes, those students.